Good day, everyone. Welcome to the channel, Canadian Rust. Today, halo wiring. It's janky style. It's just sketchy. I got one side done already. I cut the wire, which was a pain. So now I'm doing it this way. So this is the ground. This is the daytime running light. And this is the blinker. So you'll see what I'm gonna do. But for this, what you do is take a lighter, heat up, and then once it's hot, you just pull on the plastic and it'll pull right off. Oh shit. Stay. Alright, so pretty much what you're gonna do, you can't see. Hold on, try this again. Okay, so what we're gonna do, get my big old hands out of the way here. Heat her up good, and then you just pull on it. See? Bam. Then I'm gonna wrap the wires on this, because they're both the same color, because it's awesome. I had to take the whole halo totally apart and figure out which is which. So on this, left with the plug like this, the plug like this, left is power, right is ground. So just gonna hook those up with another piece of black wire, so it's in theme, and then the halo should work. Alright, I'm gonna do it. And if you're wondering why I'm doing it like this isn't the right plug for these headlights. I had to take tape, wrap it around there so it fits inside its hole there. I have the right plugs, just not the right pigtails. I have the right plugs in the car, I just don't have the right pigtail ends to go on there, so I'm gonna have to cut all this off anyways and do it properly. But for now, I just want my halos to work, so I'm doing it this way. There we are, professional hack job wiring done. Flick on these lights, hopefully you can see the halo. The car is dirty right now, she needs good cleaning. Okay, lights on, blinkers on, halos. Yeah. Mission accomplished. I wish I would have did this side like this side, because there's just not a whole lot of room in there for a dude to get his hands in there and twist wires and tape and but anyways, it's done. I'm excited. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.